Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet to another video. You're in Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, you know that I always deliver videos on how to make money online and affiliate marketing. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know firsthand when I release my videos, when I release them. And in this video, we're gonna talk about affiliate marketing programs that you guys can join today. Now, you're gonna see a lot of videos on other channels where they always talk about JVSU, OfferBolt, ClickBank, ClickFunnels, Builderall, and you know, they're all great. They're all awesome, but now that Amazon decided to slash commissions in a lot of their products, everyone that was working with Amazon is really upset. And you know, they're gonna start moving into other affiliate programs because you know the money is not there anymore. And who knows, maybe one day this will disappear. But like I always said, you gotta protect yourself. You have to stay 5 steps ahead of everybody else. Always try to do different affiliate programs, because if you only concentrate on doing just the one forever and build your entire business around it, this is what can happen to you. And I hope you guys know. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is basically you're referring people to somebody else's products. Now you're just the middleman. You do not control the end card, so they can do anything they want with this affiliate program. When you sign down for these programs, they give you the terms of service, and I'll be honest with you, none of us read them. And I'm pretty sure that somewhere in there says we can change and cut our commissions at any time that we want. If you approve, then you can sign up and join. So usually that's what happens, that there's always a fine print, nobody reads it. And you know, if you join any affiliate programs, always read the terms and conditions, because they're very clear, but people don't read them. And then when they get hit like this, they're all like, oh my god, what just happened? Okay, so be prepared, think outside the box, and start with one, because the problem is when you're trying to promote like 6 different programs, you're not gonna promote anything, okay? But you can start with one, and once you start finding success, you move into the next one and into the next one, kind of creating a value ladder for your customers. So when one fails or goes away, you always have a backup, okay? Yes, it's gonna drop the money, but you have backup plans. And then when that one disappears, you can always go and find another one and plug it in your system. You guys will be fine. So we're gonna go into my computer. I'm gonna show you some that are not very familiar with people. The concepts are the same, but we're gonna go check them out. And one of them, it's called Pure Chat. And this is very interesting, because when you go to websites, you see something like this, and there's gonna be a chat box, right? And somebody's gonna come in and talk to you, and then you can interact with this one, and eventually they will send your information via email to other companies. So this one is called Pure Chat, and this is the affiliate program. You can earn commissions with the Pure Chat affiliate program. How can you promote this? The easy way is you can go into Google Map, check websites, and see if some of these websites do have this. If they don't, then you can contact them through email and tell them, hey, I got this amazing program about free live chats, and it's gonna cost you this much. And then you guys just send them over to your affiliate program through your affiliate link, and you can start earning cash right now. Now you gotta sign up, you get it to promote, and you can earn up to 35% of your referrals billed every month. Now this is, like I told you, a subscription-based type of affiliate program, and this is something that I tell you in my channel, that you have to concentrate first. Now every niche is different, and then you'll be able to find something different, but this one is pretty good because it says for each customer you refer to Pure Chat, you can earn 25 to 35% commissions and a monthly bill. So if you can see number of customers up to 100, 25%. Then if you do up to 1,000, 30%, and over 1,000, 35%. So this is something that you can get very good at and understand how this works, understand how can this benefit companies, and start promoting it. If you go to Google Maps and you start state by state in the United States, for example, there's a gazillion of businesses, local businesses that have websites, but they don't have a live chat, and some of them might need it. It all depends, you know, if it's information, websites, if they need people to just leave a message because they can contact these companies, right? They'll leave the email with their name, and then this is how they help them, and then the live chat might be able to answer them. So that's one of the ideas that you guys can go and work with this. So the next one is BeRush, and this is an affiliate. This is the affiliate program, and they're an SEO tool that you guys can use. And basically what you do is you can join BeRush, and they give you access to the materials, what you can use to promote them. And I think as an affiliate, this is very important because you know, when you're creating content, sometimes you need a little bit of help with banners, or you know what you need to say in your blog post, and you know, how can you join BeRush with these materials that they give you. You go and promote them, you advertise, and they say they have languages like English, Spanish, French, German, and Russian. So, you know, if you speak a different language, you can actually use, and they will give you those tools for you to promote this. And this is an SEO tool, and you can get up to 40% recurring commission for every new user. You get commissions every month, not just the first one. Again, subscription based. People need tools for search engine optimization. If you don't know what SEO means, that's what exactly it means. So people are gonna go into this website, they're gonna purchase this tool, and they're gonna pay a monthly service, and you guys are gonna get recurring income every single month when you're promoting this tool. Okay, so you can go into the website, learn more about the tool, learn how it works, and you'll be able to give people the best information, whether you're doing blogging, any platform that you decide to use. That one is berush.com. Go check them out. You know, 40% recurring commission is very, very good. Not many do that, and if you saw Amazon, they flash it to 3%. So from 40% to 3% is a huge difference. So go check them out. Now this next one, as you know, when you are creating a blog post, they need themes, right? And there's plenty of themes, but Tribe Architect is one of those websites that makes it drag and drop, and it makes it so easy to work. So they got Thrive teams, and they got their own affiliate program. They have a great conversion, and they have a 35% commission per purchase and 25 recurring. So you can apply for the affiliate program, and it's a well-known brand. They have affiliate support, and they give you design materials. So you guys can earn huge commissions. You know, 35% to start when you get somebody to use these tools. And this is great for bloggers because you can actually create a blog post and say, I create this blog post using these tools, and then you go and promote this one. Now you can actually go purchase the product yourself, learn how to use it, and make 25 to 30 videos and tutorials on this. And also you can go answer questions about, you know, what are the best themes for websites, and then you can tell it that Thrive Themes is the best. And this is where you can get all the plugins and themes. Okay, so Visual Create Your WordPress website, they have plenty of products that you guys can go and promote. And if you go and just concentrate on this one to show people how they actually can build a website from drag and drop, you know, this is an absolutely amazing tool that you guys can go and promote. And so you can see 35% to start, 25 recurring. This one is something that you will get money every single month, and that's what I'm trying to show you, that these products have recurring commissions. That's what you need to look for. The next one is an Instapage, and this is products that they have: landing pages, personalization. They got ad map. Basically, you can use it for Google ad campaigns, Facebook campaigns, and this is a very kind of competition with ClickFunnels and Builderall. They have very good tools, and they also have their own affiliate program. As you can see, it's free to join. They got proven results, and this is get credit user with a 120-day cookie. So if somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they don't purchase, they still got a 120 119 days to come back and purchase. And this is what the dashboard looks like, so you guys can track your sales. And then they give you all this information. You need right promotional materials, they'll give it to you. And actually that's a good thing if you want to concentrate on one affiliate program, that they give you all the information that you need so you can promote the product even better. So they have a dedicated affiliate manager, somebody that, you know, can be in contact with you and help you out. And they have affiliate newsletters, so you can get started today and request a demo, because then you can see what the product is about and you guys can start promoting them. So this is something that you can look into it. And this one is called Long Tail Pro, which is also an SEO or search engine optimization tool, and they have their affiliate program. Now, you know, there's a bunch of SEO tools out in the market, but there's other ones that are as good. So you can sign up and you can earn 30% commissions for every person who subscribes through your affiliate link, and for all future recurring payments. So they have high quality keyword research and SEO metrics, best value for their money. And you know, this has been featured in this website, which is one of the top SEO tools that a lot of pros use. And you can enroll for Share a Sale, which is part of this is an affiliate program that has this tool. You can enroll in, unless you already are part of Share a Sale, or you can enroll here. So as you can see, some of these products give you 30% commissions, which is not that bad when you look at the other ones that, you know, basically do not give you enough, like Amazon Associates, and, you know, don't die in that hill. And we're gonna go into the next one. So what this does is it's a virtual private network, and what it does is protects your IP address when you're searching on the internet, you know. And also, you know, you can sometimes end up in websites that you don't really want it to go, but for some reason, you know, these other websites will bring you into it. Then they will be able to, you know, put like malware or a cookie or something to track your IP address. Well, these services actually help you search yourself the internet with the freedom that they're not gonna know your location, and you have protection. There's a lot of them coming out right now. With everybody being on the internet lately, you know, there's a lot of people that get hacked. This is what help you not to get hacked, and it's a lot of good products. This is one example of pure VPN, but if you go to Google, enter VPN affiliate programs, you're gonna find there's like 1,000 of them. Okay, so what you can see is this is the yearly plan, and traffic per month, unique clicks, you get 30. Your commissions are 40%, right? So let's kind of move traffic. Let's try and see. We're gonna work with organic. Okay, so let's say you get about 60, let's go for 388 unique clicks on your website, or you get about 388 people looking into your videos, right? Your commissions are 40%. Then you get a 55%, and the conversion rate is 22%. The earning potential is $1,707.20 a month. So that means you can be making $20,000 for 186 just on the lower end, and that's for the yearly plan. Let's see the seasonal. We're gonna go organic again, and let's go about 100. Okay, then people sign up in the seasonal deal. You know, you can make $514 a month, and that's over $6,000 a year. And then in the monthly plan, which is something that you really want, is we're gonna go into, let's say 253, and email, right? So you get people to sign up, and you can make $379 for every 253 people that sign up through your email list. As you can see, some of the top earners are probably around in the, I don't know if it's $50,000, but you know, it's a good potential if you guys, you know, teach people why they need this. And one thing that I can tell you, there's a lot of YouTubers that are actually within their content telling people you want security when you're searching the internet, and they tell them that check this VPN product, it will safeguard your computer, and actually it has nothing to do with VPN, but you know, they're in any niche and they're just throwing it out there for people to actually join this and, you know, start earning money as affiliates. So that's a good idea over there. And this one is something that I found by checking affiliate programs. Is this 6-figure mentor affiliate program, and what they teach you is how to start your online business, how to do business on the internet the right way. And it's not only affiliate marketing, but all other type of businesses if you go check the 6figurementors.com. But this is their affiliate program, and it says their commissions are very simple. We pay 20 on the introduction rate, and then you can get 200 on essential sales, and they're also 20 monthly on active membership subscription. So you guys are earning, you know, $20 per people that subscribe, and if you have 10 people, that's $200, right? So there you go, guys. There's a total different range of affiliate programs that you guys can go join today, and you can start earning cash. As you can see, a lot of them pay very well, a 30% income, a 30% commission on recurring every single month. So you don't have to go die on that ClickBank, ClickFunnels, or Builder, or the same programs that you keep getting from other people on YouTube videos. You know, there's so many. You just got to think outside the box. And if you want to start affiliate marketing and you want to promote some of these products, check my 1-year plan. There's a video coming right now, and you guys can start, you know, putting that plan into place right now. It doesn't mean that because it's not January you can start. Make the year plan starting whatever month you're in, and the next year see where you at with your content, with your affiliate programs that you're promoting, so you guys can start having a business that is sustainable and is gonna make you a lot of money for a long time. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.